Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the engine oil and filter on this Audi A6 C7. Just got back from a short trip just to heat up the engine a bit. Makes draining the oil a bit easier. I did jack the car up and put her on jack stands beforehand. Now the first thing you want to do is obviously pop the hood like so. And we want to remove the cap, filler cap. Put that to the side. Now we want to come underneath and we want to locate the drain plug. Use a hex bit number 6. Loosen the bolt and I have a catch pan ready. Now while this is doing its thing, we can go on top and replace the filter. You want to remove this and then cover that to the side. The filter housing is loosened by a 32mm socket. I want to get a rag. There we have it. And now it's time to replace the filter. Just pull it straight out. Let's see if the new kit, yeah, it comes with a filter element. Yeah, it comes with a new seal. and notice where the seal goes. Take some oil, lube the new seal up a bit. Yep, it's back in its correct spot. Make sure it's in all the way. And it is. And a new filter element goes in like that. Push it in place. Okay. So now that this has been doing its thing, you can go ahead and replace this plug. I do not know the torque spec on this, but tighten it, but don't kill it. It's very easy to strip the threads. Like that. Okay, now we can go on top again. We can even put her back to the ground. Well, now it's time to reinstall this filter. And this one is torqued to 35 Newton. It say on the cap. That's it. Now it's just a matter of filling her back up with 6.7 liter of oil. We start with 4 liter. That's 4. And from this we want to add 1.7 liter. And you have a scale back here. So let's go. Some more. Yeah. Now I'm happy. I can replace the cap. Like that. Let's start her up and check for leaks. Lady. Hey. What say you do? What are you saying? What do you want? What do you want? You wanna go out in the rain? Hey. No leaks. No leaks. And last but not least, you can replace this engine cover. Just snap it in place, like so, and we're done. Well guys, that was pretty easy and straightforward. Normally there is this splash shield underneath the engine, but in this case that was missing. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up, and please remember, consider subscribing. You see me in the next one. See ya!